got another car out of the Greg Graham C2 Corvette collection here. 67. 327 under the hood. That's the correct numbers matching engine. It is a 300 horsepower car, but it was upgraded with like a hotter cam and a factory aluminum intake, and should be closer to like 350 specs now. It also has the correct numbers matching 4-speed manual transmission there, and then it does have the 336 posi out back too. It's a beautiful car, black on black. This is a leather interior, feels great. Of course, they're all beautifully restored. This one's running real nice so far. I didn't get a chance to loop it around the block, but it fired right up. A couple other options: power windows, that's a big one. You know, nice little luxury things like that really go a long way. Air conditioning, that is working. AM FM radio. It's got power disc brakes at all 4 corners too. So gorgeous car, restored nicely. He put the Stinger hood on there. That's an original Stinger hood, and had it painted and everything like that. It cost about $6,000 just for the hood installation and then painting it. So that's a big deal. It looks great. It really was worth it. Now let's see what she's got. So much fun. I tell you, you gotta love just the screaming of those side pipes when you're just punching that big block, man. Or excuse me, the small block. I just absolutely love it. Great sound, just so exhilarating, so exciting. It's a fantastic car. Let's see how she goes down the street. Absolutely straight as an arrow. Nice alignment right there. Steering's just got a great feel to it. Clutch is very nice and easy. 4-wheel disc brakes will stop you on a dime there. Really good car. When it went through our shop, it just needed minor things. You know, we charged the air conditioning. Did a couple other minor kind of tinkering, finishing up loose ends on it. But yeah, check out our website for all the details on there. Really fun ride here though. Let's get those side pipes one more time. Yep, that's what it's all about, folks. Absolutely gotta love it. You want to come test drive this car, you're more than welcome out to our facility. We're in Volo, Illinois. Just call our sales department first. They'll be more than happy to go ahead and help you arrange that. We're totally transparent. You can come check out the car top to bottom, spend as much time with it as you'd like. So get a hold of Eric or Joey and they'll be more than happy to set you up with that. Other than that, it's a fantastic car. Great color combos, great options. Someone's really going to love it. Go ahead and check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.